Hey guys, we'll be back again with OS Pro in PHP programming with OS Pro in while loops. Now in this video simply that's a video whereby guys I'm going to show you in details what's really a loop now. And now loop simply means like having one program and you like that program to continue running in your machine for a long time, running continuously. Now that implies you're going to give some condition in the program whereby to force or to implement on the program to make it continue doing the same thing like you instructed before. Now that's what we call a loop, just like someone playing one song continuously in the music. Now when you come back here in the history or whatever we are going to do at the moment in the PHP, we want to see how can you make a program that using while loop statements or loops to make the program continuous. Now there are more types of loops that you're going to look maybe more after this. We have the while loop itself that you're going to be doing. We have do while. We have what known as the for loop and the for each loop, whereby the for each loop will be, this one will be for the block of codes, each codes by an element in an array. Now let me just take you straight forward into coding and then we see how can we come up with something. So I'm first going to show you the syntax for what known as a while loop. A while loop looks something like this, whereby inside here we're going to give the one known as the conditions or the condition which is true. I'll simply say should be true. You get? If the condition is true, then the code which is going to be inside here will be executed out. I'll just going to give assumption here for this simple example I'm going to be having here in my program. I give assumption, I come up here and I try to declare my variable and let me give assumption a, and for a is equal to having 2. Then I say while a is equal to what? You get the point? So at the moment if I say while a, which is now maybe the variable I'm trying to declare, while a, or I declare it, or sorry, while for a is less than maybe 10, you get, while for a is less than 10, you get. So if it's for a, while of a is less than 10, I'll give assumption that's what we have. I would like the code to be printed down for me that maybe the value for a is, you get. Now the value for a is what I'm just going to simply say there. I'm going to just declare a. So what will I simply say? Remember we said for a, and that's it. So I'll come down here, always join with a break. It's good practice to have what known as join using a break outside there to make you also know the dot operator and also how to list down your program. So come definitely and adjust our brackets. Can you put there what known as logical a but increment it if that's what you want to do. Now what does this statement simply do for us here, and so that actually we cannot maybe get lost. If you say a is equal to 2 and then while a is less than 10, that implies it's going to start from 2 up to 9 because you say less than 10. So definitely the program is going to run up to 9. When it reaches 9 it will stop. So let me just go here and shake and program and show you what I'm trying to mean. If you happen to run, it will run from 2 to 9. The same applies if you happen to change this code just right from maybe negative 7, if that's it, to 9. You get? To maybe to 10. Now if you try to check, you'll discover that it will go and be some kind of long information within the program. Now that's secret. Now the problem will be here when you happen to shake this to that. Now I'll ask you a question of the two, negative 7 and negative 10, which one is bigger? You'll discover negative 7 is bigger than negative 10. So if you try to run this program, we see what will happen. You just check what will happen in the program. It will produce for us nothing. It's because there's no value that is going to be a is less than equal to this. You get? There's no value for a is less than that. That's why it's giving us there a 0. So guys, that's it. That's how you use while loop. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and comment down below, like the videos, share to your friends. Thanks for watching all. Love you all.